This is a commercial jet like the Boeing 737, built to carry passengers fast and efficiently across long distances. It's nearly 40 meters long, with wide wings that do more than just create lift. Under each wing sits a powerful turbofan engine, pushing the aircraft forward at high speed. But the real secret is inside the wings. They store the fuel. Thousands of liters are held directly inside the wing structure. From there, fuel flows straight into the engines through pumps and pipelines. This keeps the aircraft balanced, reduces stress, and improves efficiency. For longer flights, extra fuel is stored in a center tank, all controlled by a precise system working in real time. Because in modern aircraft, the wings don't just help it fly, they power it. Airplanes may look simple from the outside, but inside, every design choice is driven by physics. One of the most important decisions engineers ever made was where to store the fuel. At first glance, you might expect fuel to be stored inside the main body, but instead, it's stored inside the wings. And this isn't random. It's one of the smartest engineering solutions in aviation. Inside each wing are large, hollow compartments that act as fuel tanks. These tanks are built directly into the wing's internal structure, turning the wings into both storage and support systems. This design immediately solves a major problem: weight distribution. Fuel is extremely heavy. If all that weight sat in the fuselage, the aircraft would become unstable and harder to control. By spreading fuel evenly across both wings, the aircraft stays balanced in flight. But balance is only part of the story. As an airplane flies, its wings generate lift, an upward force that bends them slightly. Without counterweight, this bending force would put enormous stress on the wing structure. That's where the fuel comes in. The weight of the fuel inside the wings pushes downward, counteracting the upward lift force. This reduces structural stress and helps prevent excessive wing flex. In other words, the fuel isn't just cargo, it's part of the structural design. Now, let's look at efficiency. The engines are mounted directly under the wings. By storing fuel in the wings, the distance fuel needs to travel is much shorter. Fuel flows through pipes directly into the engines, powered by high-pressure pumps. This reduces complexity, improves efficiency, and increases reliability. Inside the system, pumps continuously move fuel while sensors monitor flow and balance. If one wing becomes heavier than the other, fuel can be transferred between tanks to maintain stability. For longer flights, aircraft also use a central fuel tank inside the fuselage. This fuel is gradually redistributed into the wings during flight. But there's another advantage: safety. By keeping fuel in the wings, it's stored farther away from passengers. In the event of an emergency, this separation reduces risk inside the cabin. Inside the tanks, special structures called baffles control how fuel moves. Without them, fuel would slosh violently during turns and turbulence. Instead, the flow is controlled, keeping the aircraft stable. During refueling, fuel is pumped directly into the wings through dedicated ports. As the aircraft climbs to high altitude, temperatures drop dramatically. The fuel inside the wings also helps regulate temperature, preventing systems from overheating or freezing. In extreme situations, aircraft can even dump fuel from the wings to reduce weight quickly. All of this is possible because the wings are more than just aerodynamic surfaces. They are load-bearing structures, fuel storage systems, and critical components of the aircraft's stability. Over time, as fuel is consumed, onboard systems carefully manage which tanks are used, ensuring the aircraft remains perfectly balanced. Every drop is calculated. Every movement is controlled. In the end, storing fuel in the wings isn't just efficient, it's essential. It makes the aircraft stronger, it makes it safer, and it allows it to fly farther, smoother, and more reliably. So the next time you look at an airplane wing, remember, you're not just looking at lift. You're looking at one of the most intelligent engineering decisions ever made.